knew that I'd be.
So, we are going to be doing something fun in this video, and the idea was all birthed from stumbling upon this beautiful sticker pack that was found in my childhood room. And we got this little Lisa Frank action happening, and it really took me back to a time much different than now, but fashion, makeup. Let's take a look real quick back into that time. And in this time, it was colorful, it was laid back, sometimes there were fashion mistakes made in this time, but I thought it would be fun to do something that channels those early 2000s vibes with colorful stuff, choker necklaces, Lisa Frank stickers, neon nails, oversized jean jackets, just kind of going the whole 9 yards, just to do something different and then take a little photo shoot at the end. So in this video, we're going to be transporting ourselves to a different time. So to start, I really just wanted to do a rainbowy makeup look, and I don't know if this is specifically the 2000s, but just looking at makeup, there's a lot of like heavy makeup going on, lots of fun colored hairs, especially from people like performers and such. So I just thought I would channel that energy through eyes, and I'm not a makeup artist, but I thought it would be fun to kind of try and play around, so we'll see what happens with that. Alright, so let's go to a time much different than our own. So we are now up close and personal, and I have a little makeup mirror behind me, so I'm probably going to be looking at that, but I'm going to try to keep it in the frame. And we'll be starting off with this little NYX primer eyeshadow base, and it's just white, and ignore my nails, we're going to be fixing those too. Yes, we are. So, I'm going to put this down first. And do it with my finger. Ooh, so bright. Alright, so we're going to transform this. We got our base on, and I'm going to be using this NYX Ultimate, like more like travel-y sized rainbow makeup palette. It's called Ultimate Shadow Palette, and it sort of has all the colors I'm going to go for. We're going to do a pink, orange, yellow, and then a green, blue, purple, so it has a lot of that. We're just going to go for it. If this is a fail, then it's a fail. So I'm going to start out just digging into this pinky shade right here, and see, it's bright pink. I'm wondering if I should do all the colors on each eye or transform across them. Let's start out here. Oof. Add up a little bit more even. Okay, I do like this color, but am I going to be able to do this look? It's the main thing. I feel like if I can get the colors to blend, that's what's important. Alright, then we're going to be digging into this little orangey shade right there, a little peach shade. Again, not a makeup artist. Don't come for me, I'm just having fun.
I gotta say before you take my words so deep or easy, I know you're not happy by me being cheesy, so pardon me, pardon me. I don't care about good or bad, even if they ask, I still don't wanna add. Don't wanna add. You could be sad about it, but I can live without it.
So we definitely need to clean up there, just with a neutral shade eventually, but right here. I think it could be worse. And we're gonna just do green, blue, purple on that side. Work my brush a little. And I think I'm gonna pick this a little bit lighter, shiny green. So we're gonna go in there. Gonna go this inner corner here, and just build it towards the center. Then I'm gonna take this lighter blue right here and put that in the center part.
Don't take it in a bad way. I gotta say before you take my words so deep or easy.
And I think you could pack these colors a lot more in than I am. I did put that base just to get the color payoff, but I'm definitely not doing like fully packed brush because I just want as much of a natural look as you can get when you're doing rainbow eyes. Okay, so we have that, and then we're going to go in with the purple. And I think I'm going to choose this nice little lilac color actually instead. And I haven't been cleaning off the brush every time. I'm guessing you're probably supposed to, but since I'm kind of fading them into each other, I felt like it was fine if there's a little bit left because it almost blended the color into the next one. But I could be wrong too.
Don't care. You go on and make me feel things that I don't wanna feel.
I'm actually going to take a little bit of this darker purple as well and just mix that into just to get a little bit brighter on this outside. There we go, perfect.
Saying I don't want you, but you know I do. 'Cause I hate to love you.
Because that actually almost looks like a yellowy color there, so maybe I'll take a little bit of that darker green. So it's darker green, I'm going to put that in the inner corner. And now I'm really jumping around just to get it a little bit less of a pukey green color. So that is what we are working with right now.
'Cause I don't wanna be that girl falling hard and getting hurt, but you don't care. You go on and make me feel things that I don't wanna feel. So I get scared every time you open up. I'm shutting down every time you come in. I push you out, saying I don't want you, but you know I do. 'Cause I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. I love you, I hate you, I love to hate. Oh, and
Alright, so now we have all that. I think instead of putting on eyeliner, I'm gonna make sure I don't mess up my eyes, because if I do, then I'll have to redo them. I don't know if I'll be able to fix them. So I'm just gonna use this Man-Eater Tarte mascara that I got, I think it was like a birthday gift or something. I definitely didn't buy this. I don't buy expensive makeup like that unless it's like on sale or something. I'll ever keep on.
I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you.
See, looks like a little clumpy there, but it is what it is. Oh no, I think I got more clumps. Proceeds to put more mascara on. Okay, so we got all that, and then I'm just gonna take this Mario Badescu skincare. Just put a couple sprays. I'm gonna wait for this mascara maybe to dry for a second. Oh, also, I crimped my hair last night just by wearing braids, although I didn't use real hair ties, I used scrunchies, and they kind of fell out, so it didn't come out perfect, but I think it's working. Also, I'm letting my hair fade a lot because I'm going to dye it like a pinky magenta color, so I'm waiting for that hair dye and bleach to come in, because I think I'm just going to like cut it short and get out some of this orange and then just dye just the tips like an inch or two, so. Okay. Oh wait, this bottle might have not been used before. It was my travel size one. Whoa, kind of travel size. Okay, so now I'm trying to decide. I have this pink choker. I think this is going to get worn for this 2000s vibes. And I'm going to need to pick out an outfit. Ooh, this one. I don't know how I feel about this. I was thinking of putting like Lisa frame stickers on here too, and I might do that for a photo shoot and then like insert some pictures. Not sure about this. Maybe it depends on my outfit. So this is just a sweater from Goodwill, so maybe this would have passed as early 2000s. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and change, and then I'm going to show you these press-on nails I have that are kind of like neon color-y, which is why I chose this color, because they're like, I've had these for like years and I've never used them. I think I'm going to put those on. And then we're going to be back when I have a 2000s outfit on. So we have part 1 of the challenge, makeup, complete. Part 2, jewelry, kind of, if I keep it. Part 3 is going to be outfit. And then part 4 is going to be the nails. And part 5, photo shoot. So we're going to do all that. Yes. Catch you when I've changed.
We're asking ourselves now. We don't listen to each other. We're just two mouths talking loud. Talking loud, talking loud now.
Hello. So what I ended up going with, this angle is weird, but we're going to start out here, is just pretty much an all jean outfit with a little black cropped bralette type shirt, a pair of thrifted high-waisted jeans that are a little bit of a different jean color than the jacket. The jacket is just, it actually had these like diamond detail buttons on it in an assorted amount of colors, and then I, a few years ago, put all these patches and buttons and such on it, so it kind of worked out well. All the little fishies are falling off. Welp, sorry Nemo. I probably sewed those on myself, so that's why they came off. So we got our full outfit together, and I'm gonna insert some pictures I take as a little like fashion, not fashion show, what's the word? What is the word? Photo shoot.
Talking loud now, now. Talking loud, talking loud now, now. Talking loud now, now.
Oh, it's so fun. Babes, that's gonna be it for today's video. I had fun channeling that energy and doing something kind of different and creative for today, so I hope you'll join me in this little 2000s challenge and tell your friends to do it, tell yourself to do it, and we can all be looking fly, looking cool, looking fresh, and I'd love to see your looks. If you have any do it on Instagram, tag me. My Instagram's @thriftedpoet, and I would love to see your looks because I know I'm going to be posting mine on there. So, yes, thanks for joining me. I hope you make today wonderful and that you stay as positive as you can during this time. Love and light to all of you.